It's important to approach physical touch with respect, consent, and consideration for the other person's boundaries. Seduction should always be consensual and based on clear communication. Building a connection and understanding the other person's comfort levels is essential. Here are some tips for creating a more intimate connection through physical touch. 1. Start with non-sexual touch. Begin with non-sexual touching to gauge the other person's comfort level. This could include light touches on the arm, hand, or shoulder during conversation. Pay attention to their reactions and body language to see if they are receptive. 2. Respect boundaries. Always respect the other person's boundaries and consent. If they express discomfort or ask you to stop, do so immediately. Consent is crucial for any form of physical interaction. 3. Build emotional connection. Emotional intimacy often enhances physical intimacy. Engage in deep conversations, actively listen, and connect on a personal level to create a stronger bond. 4. Take it slow, don't rush into more intimate touching. Slow and gradual progress is key. This could involve holding hands, cuddling, or gentle caresses when the mood is right. 5. Be attentive. Pay attention to the other person's cues and body language. If they seem to enjoy your touch, you can continue. If they pull away or seem uncomfortable, it's important to back off. 6. Create a comfortable environment. A comfortable and relaxed setting can enhance the overall experience. Consider dimming the lights, playing soft music, or lighting scented candles to set the mood. Remember that every person is unique, and what one person finds seductive, another may not. Communication and consent should always be your top priorities. It's essential to have open and honest conversations with your partner about their desires and boundaries to ensure a mutually satisfying and enjoyable experience.